Hi, today we're making ice cream.
Ice cream.
And we're making banana ice cream here, the frozen bananas, with chocolate syrup over it. And I will show you step by step how this goes. So here we have a personal blender, and I put already 3 spoonfuls, kind of heaped, of organic, of course, fair trade and raw cacao powder. And there we take about, probably, I just do it by ear, 3.
Intuitive kitchen.
And then this I won't measure. We just take a little bit.
What kind of milk is that?
This is oat milk. I made this in our kitchen, and it's a video you can watch. And then we take a little bit of salt. Maybe take here most of it, a little bit for the ice cream. And then we will look how this comes along here. So now we go to the next, and here we have the Vitamix. You can take any blender who can crush ice. There are different ones. Even in the personal blender we could do it, but I like to do it here. It gets nice and smooth. So what one has to do is cover the blades so they're not running. It's really just like a little bit here.
Yes.
And then we do the rest of the salt in here.
Just a little bit.
So after the salt, I put the frozen bananas in here. I calculate about 1.5 bananas per person.
So that's about 3 bananas.
Yes. And now we put this onto the blender, nice and firm, and run it. And here we have the cacao nibs. We put these on and blend it a little more, not totally. So this looks like this. It doesn't need any more sweetener than just having the sweet bananas. I usually take the really ripe ones and cut them in slices and freeze them in a plastic bag, and then take them out as one needs. One can leave them for weeks in there, and if one's short in bananas, one can take them in a smoothie too, of course. So this we will put, I decided, in these 2. It looks really good, and it has a little bit of color, which is nice, through the cacao nibs.
Yeah, the little cacao nibs are still partially there.
Yes. It looks really good. And now comes the decoration. We have first some of the chocolate sauce.
The chocolate sauce.
And then one puts it on the table and people can take more. We won't drown it now. And also this one can put on the table so people can take a little more. This is coconut flakes here, and then some cacao nibs.
Wow, beautiful.
And then from the garden we have some peppermint. Real peppermint. You can take any kind of peppermint. And some fresh little forest strawberries. Bon appetit!
Wow.